What's up guys, my name is Alex Costa, and you know, there are a lot of things that used to be so ugly back in the day, but somehow they became popular and trendy now in 2019. And I get it, you know, trends come and go. Something that used to suck can all of a sudden have a huge burst in popularity a few years later. So I thought it would be cool to go over some of these items that used to be trash, but now are cool and trendy. By the way, you guys know that we hit 2 million subscribers last week, and I could not be happier, all right? So I am doing a giveaway just like you guys asked, all right? I'm giving away this Tom Ford Costa Azzurra Aqua, which is insane, one of my favorite scents right now. Also gonna be giving away this Michael Kors smartwatch, which is pretty pricey, and I'm giving away this Google Home Mini as well. And all you have to do to enter is follow me on Instagram and comment in my latest pictures tagging 2 friends, all right? That's it. Follow and tag 2 friends. My IG is @AlexCosta, and I will leave the link to my Instagram in the description below so you guys can go and check it out and enter to win. Good luck, and thank you guys so much for 2 million subscribers. I'm gonna pick the winner next week. All right, the first thing that wasn't cool 10 years ago, but now is chunky sneakers. This is probably the craziest trend I've seen come back, and man, it came back stronger than ever, right? Who would have thought? I know I never saw it coming, you know? Now everybody owns at least a pair of chunky sneakers. Even brands that kind of disappeared there for a while, like Pyrrha, made a comeback with the chunky sneakers. I see them everywhere. And of course, designer brands like Balenciaga are one of the biggest reasons why the trend made such a huge comeback. Do you guys own any chunky dad sneakers? Let me know in the comment section down below. Number 2. Short shorts. Now, short shorts were cool like 20 years ago, and then they kind of went away, especially here in the US. It was definitely not cool to wear short shorts, whether it's for a day out running errands or even swim trunks, like really short swim trunks. Not cool. But now, you know, over the past few years, we've seen a lot of stylish celebrities rocking them, and I have to say, it looks a lot better. The reality is, it shows off your physique. It doesn't hide your legs as much. So if you're somewhat muscular or on your way to getting there, this is a great option for you. Also, keep in mind that there's definitely such a thing as too short, okay? I've seen it, it doesn't look right, and I would stay away from it. Because what I mean by short shorts is shorts that are cut a little above the knee. Like these Oliver Brown swim trunks here that I wore to Hawaii. They're cut above the knee, but they're not too short. Okay, they show off just enough of your legs without it getting weird. Number 3, and one of my favorites right now, you guys have seen me wear this a ton, turtlenecks. Man, if I wore a turtleneck back in my day, it would have been a game over, all right? I don't think any girl would even want to look in my direction. Turtlenecks were so lame, you know? It was something that your grandma gave you and then made you wear to school because you had a cold and you had to keep your neck warm. I will say though, I think it can be a little bit too classy for teenagers, all right? So it's a little bit too grown up. I don't want to put an age to it, but you know when you're ready to rock a turtleneck, all right? I love wearing mine with a jacket over it. It can be a leather jacket, a bomber jacket, even a sports jacket, like a coat. It just looks so good. It's a great way to layer and of course, stay warm in the winter time. And the best thing is the amount of compliments that you're gonna get just for wearing a nice turtleneck. That's because most guys, they're too afraid to pull it off. And their loss is your gain, my friend. Rock that turtleneck. Go out at night wearing one and show them what's up. Next, well, we just talked about this in a recent video a few days ago. I actually just got them done. We're talking about hair highlights, all right? Man, this one really made a huge comeback as well. I remember when my brother said he wanted to get highlights like 12 years ago, and my whole family was like, no way, it's not gonna happen. Well, things obviously change, all right? I'm so glad that us guys can finally do whatever we want with our hairstyle without being judged hard for it. It used to be too feminine to take care of ourselves, to get highlights, you know? This isn't the case anymore. Nobody should be ashamed of trying to look better. And highlights actually make me feel great. Do you know how many random compliments I get about my hair when I get highlights? Always from girls too. So don't be scared to try something new with your hairstyle. And if you guys are interested in learning more about men's highlights and the procedure, I actually just posted a video on this specific highlight that I got done right here last week. I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description below so you can go and check it out and learn more about the process. Next up, ripped jeans. Now, I remember when ripped jeans went from being really cool to being pretty weird like that. I used to work at Abercrombie, let's not get into it, okay? But back then, a lot of people were wearing them, and then a few years later, the trend was gone. Well, you know, fast forward 8 to 10 years and ripped jeans are now cool again, right? And I personally love me some edgy outfits, as most of you guys know. So wearing distressed denim has been a staple in my looks for a while now. Just don't overdo it, guys. I don't want to see your boxers, your whole thigh, some rips, slits, that's totally fine, but don't go crazy. Number 6, sandals. A few years back, if you wore sandals, you were either 60 years old or it was a Christmas gift that you had to act excited for when you opened it, but you knew you were never gonna wear. I got rid of all of my sandals years ago. I would never, ever get caught wearing sandals, but now I'm all in. I think we can make some really cool looks with sandals. But I would love to hear your thoughts on sandals. What do you think? Do you own a pair or would you? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, before I get into the last item of the day, if you made it this far, and if you already follow me on Instagram, I have a treat for you, all right? Maybe you saw this already, but guys, I'm coming out with my own clothing collection, all right? This is huge for us. It's something that I've been working on for a long time. It's sick. It's coming out so soon. I can't wait to show you more. Keep your eyes peeled because it's all happening within the next few weeks, like right now. So I hope you're ready for the big announcement. It's gonna be coming soon on YouTube and Instagram. So I'm pumped. I just wanted to tease you guys a little bit, just let you know what I'm working on because this is gonna be huge, all right? Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Let's move into the next item here because if I say too much, I'm gonna get in trouble. The next item is skinny jeans. I remember first seeing skinny jeans and thinking they were kind of lame. All right, and I'd probably be uncomfortable and I really didn't like them at first. Fast forward a few years and now I can't wear anything that doesn't have a pretty slim or skinny fit to them. It's just so much better. They make you look taller, they make you look thinner, they show off your sneakers the right way, and they're definitely not uncomfortable unless you're going that, you know, for that spray skinny fit, which I do not like the spray-on skinny jeans at all. They're too skinny. So it looks like the skinny jeans are here to stay for a while anyway. Guys, don't forget to enter the giveaway by following me on Instagram and tagging 2 friends on my latest post. All right, I'm excited to send you guys some gifts. And I hope you're ready for this clothing collection, man. I wish I could say more, but like I'm so pumped. I'm not doing this on my own. There's a lot of knowledge and many years. These people that are helping me, they've been doing this for years and you guys will know soon, but it's like, I'm so pumped it's for you. Like I hope you're as excited as I am because this is for you and I'm so pumped to tell you more. So keep your eyes peeled. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Peace.